everybody, I hope you're all well. It's been nearly a year since I've had the Ninja air fryer. This is the AF451. Can you see it? Yeah, there it is. Grand machine. Do love it. I love it a lot. The one setting I haven't never used on this air fryer is Dehydrate. Never used it. So today I have a bunch of sage herbs. This is from my allotment. And I know what you're saying, or some of you will say anyway, I'm sure you will, that it's just as easy to air dry, and you're 100% right. But if you didn't have the space, or, well, really that's if you didn't have the space to hang herbs all over the place, then Dehydrate may well work. I don't know, I've never tried it, as I said before, so I really do fancy giving it a go. I probably will hang some in my shed and sort of see what they're like as a comparison, but for the moment I'm just going to try and dehydrate. Do smell lovely. I've got a jar ready to, if it works. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to bung it in and dehydrate them. So let's crack on and do that. There's no recipe list. Let's just get them in. I think I will need to weigh them down. So I'm just gonna, I've gone through, I've washed them. Any leaves that look a little bit, don't look great, I've taken away. I'm just gonna try and lay them as flat, cover the surface area as possible. I have seen people weigh them down with something, or you can tie with twine. All my twine is at the allotment, so I'm just gonna do that. It will stop it from flying about, presumably. So yeah, let's just get that in. Draw 2, dehydrate. I wonder what's, I think it's, so 3 hours. Ooh. But what I will do, is I will double check every hour, because I've got no idea how this is going to turn out. And I will move the air fryer. In fact, I'll do that now. It's too close to the socket. Yeah, right. So yeah, 60 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. I'll put it up here. Yeah, see you soon. In a couple of seconds. It's just been an hour, well, just under an hour. So let's have a look. Smell lovely. Still not crispy, soft still. So yeah, carry on. See you in about a few seconds, aka an hour. Right, it's been an hour, so it's 2 hours in total. Oh, did you hear that? Wow, pretty cool. So 1 more hour, see you in a bit. Let's have a look. It's just over 2 hours, because when you do that, I think that's enough to qualify as dried. So I'm going to get it on the chopping board. I've got to carefully remove the metal spoon and fork and chop them and get them in my prepared recycled jar. Yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. I'm just going to pull the leaves off, because I don't really want the stick. Be interesting to know how long it takes to do it naturally. This will be out before I've done that in the shed, but that will be on my allotment channel, doing it naturally, as it were. So if you are interested in drying herbs and you don't have an air fryer, and you can, I think you can do it in the microwave. There are plenty of and the oven, obviously, and obviously hanging it dry. Yeah, but this is the first time I've ever done this, so this is great. I'm really pleased. Smells lovely. I might do this again. I've got loads of sage, so I might do this again at the allotment, because obviously this probably doesn't actually add up to much. I've got rosemary as well. It'd be interesting. I mean, I like using fresh herbs for sure, but it's really handy to have some dried herbs. So I'm just going to use a knife. Wow. There we go. Well, I'm going to get this in the jar. Yeah, and I would say I'll be back for a taste test, but not on this occasion. It's yeah, this is great. Let's just fill it up. It's actually, you know, I underestimated the amount. I thought I wouldn't have much, but I mean, I'm not sure if I should be allowing this to dry a little bit further. It doesn't feel like, it feels completely dry. It just feels a bit soft, but then you just shake it, I suppose. Well, I'm going to get it in the jar. And then maybe leave the lid off for another couple of hours. I don't know. It's the first time I've done it. If you've done it before, let me know how you've got on and what you've dried. I do have rosemary. What else do I have? Just rosemary and sage at the moment at my allotment. I've got thyme at home, but it's not a lot. Although I love thyme, but fresh herbs I love too. So I'm going to leave that, and that's me. Take care, everybody. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.